Popular social media personality and comedian Majah Hype back on his feet after suffering a slight heart attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you please remember like, share, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who's been good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop on the weekend edition. So coming up on the scoop for today is that Majah Hype suffers a slight heart attack, and there were many speculations going around as it relates to him having COVID-19, but he decided to do an Instagram live to clear the air and update his fans as it relates to his health and well-being. So he's actually out the hospital right now and is recuperating steadily, and we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to him and what really transpired with him posting a video on social media with him in the hospital. So many people became very worried about his condition based on the fact that he was seen in a medical facility on a post on his Instagram page, and there were many rumors circulating as it relates to what really transpired with him, and we're about now to just give you the latest details that we have to bring to you as it relates to his health and his well-being. So it's very good now to report that Majah Hype is actually out that medical facility and is doing very fine, recuperating steadily. The comedian, who was hospitalized sometime earlier this week, indicated on his Instagram live that he is doing fine and recuperating steadily. Speaking via his Instagram live on Thursday, the comedian dispelled rumors that he had COVID-19 but revealed to his fans right across the world that he had suffered a mild heart attack.
I did not have COVID, you know what I'm saying? But what I did have was a mild heart attack. It's very serious, people. That you take care of yourself, take care of your health. Let me say this, right? People, learn not to stress over nothing. Stress over nothing. Life is short. Life is short. Stress over nothing. I don't care how bad you think things are, somebody else have it worse. Stress over nothing. You understand what I'm saying? If something is stressing you out, remove it from your life. Remove it. Remove it, remove it. I don't care if it's a car. I don't care if it's a high rent bill. I don't care what it is. Voice, big up yourself, Voicey. But I had a mild heart attack. I was in the house. I was in the house and I started throwing up in the kitchen. I was throwing up in the kitchen, and when I got up from throwing up, I felt dizzy and passed out. My kids called the ambulance for me, and when the ambulance came, they did an EKG on me right away. When they did the EKG, right, they said that my heart rate was a little funny and they need to bring me to the hospital. On the way to the ambulance, on my way to the hospital and everything, me and the guy was talking, and he was just like, what's going on with you? Like, you're young. Why is this happening? Da, 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 da. And I'm just telling him, like, I just been stressing a lot of things. A lot of things hasn't been going my way. A lot of things hasn't been right. So I just been stressing certain things. You know what I'm saying? And he was like, yo, you gotta chill. You know what I'm saying? This year has been a difficult year for everybody, for a lot of people, and to be here right now and still be able to talk to you guys and still have a good vibe and a good energy. I think that's one of the most important things right now.
Well, it's very good to see that Major Hype is actually out the medical facility right now and is recuperating steadily. He stated that he was at his house and started throwing up in the kitchen, and then he felt a bit dizzy and then he passed out. He said that his kids who were at the location where he was came to his assistance and called the ambulance, and they did a medical examination on him, and it was discovered that his heart rate was a little bit funny, and he was taken to the medical facility for more treatment. Then it was disclosed that he actually had a mild heart attack. So it's very good to report that he's actually out that medical facility right now, and he's just urging people right across the world not to stress over certain situations, because we only have one life to live, and we should try to live this as best as we can. In a post on his Instagram page, he wrote, "I'm a star, blessed and highly favored. Thanks to everyone who reached out and was there for me in my difficult time. God work in ways won't understand, but trust his guidance." That was his post that he posted on his social media platform. So it's one of those situations where we look in life and we think about situations that we might be going through, or some of the time we believe that we're not stressed over certain situation, but as Major Hype said, this was a serious problem and he was stressing over certain things, and this might have led to him getting that mild heart attack. He said that it was very serious that people would take themselves to this point, and in doing this, he also urged people just to live life and also enjoy life. He also stated that he was going through a difficult time when this transpired, and that he was stressing and that his health condition basically deteriorated over what he was stressing over. But he said to his fans right across the world, stress over nothing, life is short. I don't care how bad you think you are, someone out there is worse than you. So instead of stressing, just live life and remove everything from your life that is stressing you. He said you have to just do this, even though it's difficult, but we have to just put ourselves in that position and try our very best to just live and love and continue just to just enjoy life in the best possible way there is. He also sought to tell his fans that the good thing is that he is still here and to be able to talk to his fans, and that's the most important thing to him right now. The comedian is actually back in action already, advertising for an upcoming show, Major Hype Passion, which is slated to be held in Atlanta from December 11 to 13, 2020. So we are just hoping for a speedy recovery for this comedian Major Hype. And as you know, he has been garnering fans right across the world with over 1.3 million followers on his social media platform, Instagram. He has swept the world by storm and is one of the top premier figures in entertainment as it relates to comedian. And we really wish him all the best in his recovery process. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I believe we'll be leaving this one right here for now. Thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell always, and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. Have a blessed and productive week and keep safe as much as possible. I'm out for now. Links 007 TV. Peace out.